What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Let's go ahead and open up some new 2022 Hot Wheels Subaru WRX STI from the HW Hatchbacks series. This one's got some cool graphics on the side of it. Let's go ahead and open this one up. When we look at the car from the side, you can see those crazy graphics, nice gloss blacked out wheels on there, which I really do like. You can see the graphics that continue on the front end right there. Kind of looks like mountains of some sort on there. It's a metallic paint job, which you can kind of see sparkling in my lights, but all around it's a nice looking car. I like the new color of it. Some of the original release colors I wasn't a big fan of, but this one is a nice one. Classic TV series Batmobile from the Batman series. This one is all tuned out and small. Let's go ahead and open this one up and get a nice close-up look at this one. You can see this one's tuned. It's like very squashed up right there. You can see bigger wheels on the rear, smaller ones on the front end right there. You can see it's just the classic Batmobile. So if you ever watched like the Batman in the 1960s, this is the Batmobile that they used from it. So it's got like the classic like 50s, 60s fins on the rear. It's got like some big jetpack in the back right there. And I think this is probably an exhaust or something sticking out right there. But being a tuned out Batmobile in this formation, I think it looks pretty cool. 2021 Ford Bronco from the Mud Studs series. Check this one out. It's got the mudded tire wheel combination on there. As we look at it from the side, you can see these mudded out tires on there. The number 1 on the side of it. We've got the big Bronco on the front end. And this one does look like it's kind of raised up right here, and it's got some bigger wheel tire combination on it. You can see the big mudded out tires right there. But overall, I'm very, very happy with the design of the new Bronco. I think it looks excellent. Love that on the rear end right there. But what do you guys think of this brand new Hot Wheels Ford Bronco color? Ragin' Express from HW Art Cars, because this has got a crazy paint job on the side of it. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see the paint job and graphics that we have on the side of it. You can see all the craziness. It's got some sort of like maybe Japanese dragons of some sort. I'm not 100% sure. If you guys know what that says in that writing right there, let me know in the comment section down below. But check out the chrome on this one. Absolute crazy amount of chrome. It's got some sort of weird like H&I graphics on the top. I don't really know exactly what that means. You can see the crazy dragon type thing on the side right here again, and on the back it's got some nice little like riveting of some sort built right into the actual body itself. It's mostly plastic of a casting. It's got the metal base, but all around I think it's just one of the funkiest Hot Wheel cars. 1994 Bugatti EB110 SS, and this one is from the HW Turbo series because, well, in real life this has quad turbos, 4 turbos on it. This is a brand new recolor in yellow. We originally saw it in blue, and I think we have a white one coming as well. But check this one out in this gorgeous looking yellow color, gloss black wheels on here. I think this paint job really suits the car. You can see the lines very nicely on it. We even got that little Bugatti logo on the front end right there. That nice spoiler sticking out. Great looking paint job on the rear as well for those lights and the little license plate. We can see that engine sticking through. Just an all around excellent new recolor of the Bugatti EB110 SS. Kick Kart, and this one is like a very fast golf cart from the HW Ride-Ons series. Let's go ahead and open this one up and get a nice look at it right here. We can see it's got like maybe like a maroonish type reddish color just right on there. And then look at these wheels. I love the wheels with the color on the center of them. Just kind of looks like they're going really fast. We've got some sort of like jetpack on the side of it, big diffuser on the bottom as well, mostly plastic base with the metal body itself. These almost look like a roll cage on here. It's a single seater. I wonder if it would fit a Lego guy. I think it might fit a guy from Lego. That would be pretty cool to try. The front end right there, nothing particularly special. We've got some painting right there, but overall, what do you guys think of this one? 59 Chevy Impala from the Chevy Bel Air series. Check this one out. It totally reminds me of a lowrider car. If we actually look in the back right there, you can see my lowrider right there, and this one looks very similar to that. It's an Impala. This is a 59. I think that's a 62, but check out the back right here. Check out this base right here. Gold chrome base, gold chrome wheels, meshed wheels. We got that grille in gold chrome, very pink metallic design, and then we got some cool graphics on here as well. Just totally looks like a crazy lowrider car. I really like this one. I'm happy to add this to the collection. Donut Drifter from the Fast Foodie series. We've got a new recolor of this one. Let's go ahead and pop it open and get a close-up look. And this one obviously being popular because it's essentially a donut. You can see the donut right here. We've got the Hot Wheels logo right on there, the little guy on the inside. We've got the white wheels and tires on there. Maybe these are kind of like a little bit pinkish actually as well. Maybe to imitate like icing of some sort. I don't know. I'm just saying. We got the big spoiler on there. We got the exhaust, the engine on the back end of it. But what do you guys think of Donut Drifter? Wheelie chair from HW Daredevils, and this is Aaron Wheels, and it's popular that he is in a wheelchair and he does all types of stunts and stuff in real life, so they made his wheelie chair right here. You can see it. We've got really cool. I absolutely love the look of this back wheel right here, black center with the white lip, and you can see just kind of like rivets right where it connects the wheel to it. It's just really cool looking. Really like the look of that. And then you can see the little, like where he sits down in the wheelie chair right here. It's got almost like some sort of roll bar right around here, and we can see on the back it's got some graphics and says wheels on it there with a little logo right there as well. Just overall, just a very unique, interesting casting that they brought to the Hot Wheels lineup. They actually brought this several years ago and we're still getting some new recolors of it. But what do you guys think of the wheelie chair? Bully Goat from the HW Art Cars, and this one, when I opened it up, I thought it kind of looked like a muscle car Firebird. So if we look at the front end of this one, you can see it's got a very Firebird look to it right there. But then on the side, it's got like a nice cool muscle car look, like kind of sporty. It's got a little bit of a weird end on there right there. And then look at the wheels on here. Those are nice big wheels in the front, a little bit smaller ones on there. And then it says Billy Goat on the side of it. Just a very interesting casting into the Hot Wheels lineup. In the comment section down below, let me know which was your favorite of these new Hot Wheels. Make sure you hit that like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.